things that are earlier in the adoption curve, but with proven adoption, go up faster in price. I literally don't care whether it's Solana or some new thing, but it has to be at this point in the adoption curve, right? There was Solana, Avalanche, Luna, and Polygon that were the four forerunners. One went to zero, and Solana rose fastest out of the ashes. Like you, I was buying in June 2022 and really went max long as we went. So I saw the network effects were superior early, like Ethereum was in the last cycle.
The good news for Solana and Dogecoin is that they have both reached critical levels, coinciding with Bitcoin hitting its lowest point in recent times. Aside from Dogecoin, some metrics paint a promising picture for Solana. For instance, financing types have remained stable, hovering around 0.1% for a while. This stability is significant because a rising funding rate often indicates that Solana bulls are using excessive leverage to maintain their positions. Despite the recent overall slowdown in the crypto market, Raoul Pal revealed that 80% of his cryptocurrency portfolio is invested in Solana. The connection between Solana and Bitcoin is another factor that reassures Pal, as he believes Solana stands to benefit significantly from the upcoming Bitcoin halving. Pal is also optimistic about Solana's potential to serve as a credible alternative to Ethereum's persistent congestion issues. Ethereum has struggled with scaling problems, especially during periods of high activity. According to Pal, Solana could deliver substantial returns in this bull cycle. Therefore, if you're new to cryptocurrency, adding Solana to your portfolio might be a good strategy for growing your net worth. For the latest updates on crypto events and news, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's dive into Raoul Pal's perspective on Solana and the broader US economy.
I just used the charts and look at the ETH Bitcoin cross, the ETH Solana cross, and Solana was breaking out. I'm like, okay, that's as simple as that. So it's not, I leave the narrative as something I can discuss and debate, but really the proof is in the simplest of metrics. And we will see in this cycle a bunch, 3, 4 new protocols, new layer ones that will do really well and outperform Sol. They will all go down 99% or 98% or 97% in the next cycle. And one of those will be anointed too. We've seen this with memes. Doge has survived. And out of these memes that are around now, whether it's Pepe or whether it's Whiff or whatever, Bonk or whatever it is, one of these will be crowned the survivor for the next time around. So when you think about Doge, it is a one-sided ecosystem. It is just retail investors and a whale called Elon Musk that holds $3 billion of it. And it's maintained its value because people have stayed with the meme, because it made people wealth, real wealth. And they stick with it. They're loyal to it. Now, if Elon uses it for X, which I think he will, well, you're going to create an extreme jump in value from this thing at some point. XRP is another interesting one because it actually has quite a few applications, but there are lots of small microtransactions. So it doesn't create as much value, but there's a lot of retail and it kind of balances it out. So I just think of them really simply in these terms. Liquidity is coming. Liquidity is the key driver of all kind of scarcer assets. So equities, real estate, whatever it may be. And so all I see is liquidity from every angle about to happen. There is a dollar injection of liquidity that has to happen because the system is telling you that there's not enough dollars in the system. There's always a dollar shortage in this world.
The moment traditional and crypto investors have been eagerly anticipating is almost here. ETF Swap is about to launch its decentralized application. This platform will enable investors to diversify their portfolios by investing in both traditional and crypto assets in one place. ETF Swap will tokenize exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and facilitate their on-chain trading, allowing crypto investors to access ETFs without leaving the decentralized ecosystem. Investors can easily convert their crypto assets into ETF Swap's tokenized ETFs and then into their preferred ETFs. The ETF Swap platform offers opportunities for substantial benefits through its native token, ETF. Token holders can participate in the platform's revenue and stake their tokens to earn up to 70% annualized percentage yield. Billionaire Elon Musk remains a prominent supporter of Dogecoin, which has seen its value rise significantly since its inception. Musk, often referred to as the Doge Father, has consistently promoted Dogecoin, contributing to its value increase. Originally created as a peer-to-peer digital currency with broader accessibility than Bitcoin, Dogecoin has gained traction as both a joke and a serious investment, supported by Musk and other meme tokens like Shiba Inu. In the world of Solana, market analyst Ali Martinez has identified a potential price breakout for the cryptocurrency. Martinez's analysis focuses on a symmetrical triangle pattern formed over the past 2 months, a formation often seen as a bullish continuation signal. Solana's price surged from around $11 to nearly $210 in mid-March 2024, before encountering resistance and retreating to find support near $141. According to Martinez, a breakout from the symmetrical triangle could result in a significant price movement, potentially up to 53% in either direction. If Solana maintains a price above the $143 support level, it could signal a bullish trend, pushing the price towards the $178 resistance zone. A break above this resistance could validate Martinez's prediction of a rise to $280, a 53% increase from its current level. Despite some volatility, Solana has proven to be a leader in this cycle, with recent prices stabilizing around $147, still below last month's highs. Although the price has been relatively stagnant recently, trading volume remains high, indicating continued trader activity. Solana experienced significant volatility from April to early May, but has shown indecision in the market. Following May, a clear bearish trend emerged with prices consistently below key moving averages, reflecting strong bearish sentiment. Raoul Pal's substantial investment in Solana highlights the growing interest in this cryptocurrency among informed investors. Despite recent market declines, Pal, a former Goldman Sachs executive, remains confident in Solana's long-term potential, viewing it as more efficient and scalable than Ethereum. Pal anticipates that the global liquidity cycle will drive up cryptocurrency prices, noting that macroeconomic factors, including upcoming U.S. Federal Reserve policies, influence global liquidity. Historical trends show that periods of increased liquidity often lead to substantial growth in crypto and technology sectors, with significant movements typically occurring in the fall. The market is expected to peak in winter, marking the end of bear cycles and the beginning of new opportunities.